Good day. I'm Haraya B. Hobson, a third-year college student taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English at Cavite State University, Nae Campus. I have few reasons why I choose to study Bachelor of Secondary Education at CBSU. First, I already made up my mind that when I got into college, I will take up this course, and it is really my first choice. Luckily, I passed the test as well as the interview, and I'm really grateful for that. Second, even there's a lot of schools offering the same course that I want, I still choose this school, CBSU, especially Nae Campus, because it has something to give that exceeds the expectations of every student. And if I'm not mistaken, BS Ed is one of CBSU Nae's specializations, which is also one of the factors why I have never doubted CBSU when it comes to the quality education that they can give with their students. In addition, I know that there are a lot of former students who are already successful with their craft who also came from this school with the same course that I am taking. Lastly, as a student who experienced the quality of education they offer, I can say that they can provide every learner to be a competent individual and be able to emphasize one's ability and capability that would result in a lifelong learning. At this point in time where flexible learning is being the mode of our education, I can say that I am still ensured of the quality education delivery. Though there are some adjustments that needs to be accomplished, I still believe that each one of us, start from the faculty heads, professors, down to us students, are all adapting in this new situation that we had never expected in the first place, yet doing our best to deliver and receive the quality education that we need. Hence, we are all giving the best that we can to comply in every task that needs to be done, which is why we, my classmates and I, are very thankful for our professors who are continuously being understanding, considerate, and have given us enough time to accomplish every task. Our professors who keep on providing and giving us the things we need in our lessons for us, their students, to have a better understanding in every way they can to help us. If there's a time when lessons seem ambiguous, we can freely ask them since they are all one chat away and ready to answer all of our queries from the printed or online module that they have given us. I'm currently in my third year being a college student at CBSU, and honestly, I can say that this school has imparted a great deal of experience and knowledge. As what I have said earlier, CBSU do not just offer a quality education, but also education for sustainable development to have students lifelong learning. But I do not want to be overconfident with myself, though of course there's always hope for me to pass the LET or the licensure examination for teachers because of the learnings that the school had given and still giving me. And if that happens, all the things that learned will surely be adopted for me to be suitable when I already step in the field of teaching, not just the technicalities, but also the ethics that the school have taught me.